Guys, so on the last video I accidentally ended it way too soon. Like, I didn't mean to. I went to go hit a different thing, like the switcheroo, and it hit the square button. On mine is a square. So on the pause button, or on the ready for it thing. So this is kind of like a new intro because like it's a new video and everything, but this is part 2 of playing with Ready Pups. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Okay, so I'll tell you each of their, like, personalities. One, all of them have quite a bit of curiosity in them, but this one is the most curious, I feel like, because she's, like, always like, I want to be curious, you know? Then we have Little Blue, and he's just like, his personality is, I'm shy until you get to play with me, and then I'm like kind of active, bro. And also his siblings bully him. I'm the youngest, and I am the runt. So yeah, this is Little Blue Boy. I call him Little Boy Blue, but like, he had a color on, but yeah. Purple, like I said, purple, this is Purple, the purple one, and she really likes cameras, obviously, as you can see. She likes to see herself, I guess, but she couldn't see. Anyway, Purple is more of an active puppy. They're all really active. Little Pink. Come here, Pink. You, ow, my foot's dead. Okay. Artie, I need help, bro. I got 4 puppies on my lap and one that's attacking my shirt. Oh, we're just playing with the puppies, letting Mama get a break. I think she's enjoying it. She's laying in the doghouse like, woohoo, free of puppies. No, oh, I hear you down there growling.
Mom's going to get that test done on.
What?
She can get them posted.
But then this is the pink one. She's the smallest girl, and her personality is like, I don't like to give you kisses very often. I don't like to play around. I just like to be lazy with my little brother. Runt, where are you? Oh, there you are, little cutie pie.
Man, I had my rest already, and I gotta go in.
Actually, no, you're not Runt. You're Runt.
Blue.
I hear you, Red. Little Red.
Is that you?
Yeah, she's the one growling.
Are you the growly? There.
No, don't. She's got a big sore on her chest.
What'd you do?
I think Mama licked her too hard there, and it's just...
She might have raked her side.
Yeah.
Coming in out of that doghouse, too.
I bet you that's what she did.
Did you tell Mom?
What?
That she had a sore?
Oh, no.
One's got a belly button hernia. A couple of them did, but one was healing up. I think it was the biggest boy, I think.
Usually the biggest ones. Okay, this is a Little Red. Her personality is, I like to growl at you if you're loving on other people or other animals or other things. Like she is like she knows that she's like main attention.
Hopefully they take over the house though. I think I got another bag in the house.
Hi, little Purple. Look at that. That's so cute. Aw. This is Little Pinky. Like I said, she's shy. She doesn't like to play around. Little Blue, he's like, once I get to know you, I like you a little bit, but not much.
Make sure you keep him back.
I will. And then a little big boy, actually. He's aggressive, but also very lazy, and he is a big boy, and he's the biggest one in his litter, and he's just a big boy. Like, he'll actually grab his younger sibling by the ear and be like, I'm the parent here, guys. Believe me, I know what I'm doing. I've done it like a million times in my small little life. I hear you over there whining.
Hey, Kiki.
Yeah?
I'm back.
You are? You want to help me with these puppies?
Yep.
I got 5 puppies.
Yeah.
Either on my...
Yeah, I buy these puppies
There's
for
a
you.
little puppy right there. Then there's this
I
girl.
buy puppies for you.
You guys are brats.
I done walking.
See, yeah, you're the one that had the belly button hernia, but it's all cleared up. Okay. Oh. Get it, 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 get Oh, you're playing now. So guys, we dock our tails on each of them. Whee! I'm a horsey. Come here. All right, I think it's time to put them back with Mama. Play with the bigger puppies. But, well, you know what? We're not going to play with the bigger puppies right now. We're going to go play with the kitties. And then we'll play with the puppies later. We got to let them drink, okay? And get used to their new habitat. Oh, what color? You're purple. All right, grab big boy. We got to get them all. We got to round them all up. Hey, what are you doing? Don't run at them. You'll scare them. Get little big boy. Look at Hookie. Ah!
I'll bring them back to Mama.
No, you can't go over there. Mama doesn't like people like that. Especially when you messing around with her puppy. She may be like, ah! Puppies, I gotta get up. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. He's got the little tongue sticking out and everything.
Hey, Kiki.
Look how cute that is.
Yep.
He's got a wild rottweiler.
Well, Rottweiler. Rottweiler.
Okay, it is time to collect the puppies, and yeah, I'm gonna go set up the camera, and yeah, because we're gonna go ahead and just bring it over. So, grab that other puppy right there. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but Mama, come here. This is Mama's. If you can see her. Or do you back up? Hey, a puppy got out.
What's that puppy
He's
doing?
going under there. Here, give me that puppy.
This baby puppy.
Get her under the mother. You guys are. Hurry up, bring that puppy over here.
That's Big Papa. And baby. Oh, man.
Be good. Come on, guys, go back there. In the back. No, stay back there. Stay back there. Oh wait, come on, Mama. Now, in a reality, guys, you would never actually want to leave your dog door open. But one thing I probably should have actually done is close it while I went in. Close for just a few minutes. hope you guys got all that because that was like exhausting. Not really. So we have 4 adult Rottweilers. Well, one's not a complete adult yet. She's 6 months old, but ouch. She's 6 months old, but still yet. Okay. So this is going to be an outro for both videos, hopefully. So hopefully you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and you turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. So love you guys. Peace. Peace out.